How does it sound like Pop Smoke? Let's start it off with the snippet real quick. What are you talking about? Huh?
Jumping back in the black. I think I'm moving too fast. First one to hit the lobby. People run with that chopper screen. Hit up on me, broke the law. I just sit up post charge. Get the money, let it fly. You talking about my line? Things dance ain't fun. Thought it was really a game. What?
I ain't gonna show you too much, but that was a snippet. Okay, let's go. Let's start off with the ad-libs. So for the ad-libs, you're just gonna set up, you're gonna go to none, and then you're gonna go to setup. So I'm gonna go to ad-libs. So you're gonna go to your graphic effect, EQ, I mean. I got 100 hertz. For the second one, 200 hertz. Third one, 400 hertz. Fourth one, 800 hertz. 1.6k hertz. 3.2k hertz on the fifth one, or sixth one. On the seventh one, I got 6.4k hertz. And then the last one, for the level, I got 0.0 dB. Alright. Hold on. Look at that real quick so you can get it. Next one. And for the studio reverb, for the mix, I got 3.8. For the color, 7.4. Size, 6.4. For the delay, for the time, I have 1000 hertz. Feedback, 15%. HP filter, 500 hertz. LP filter, 2000 hertz. Dry level, 50. Wet level, 6. Effect level, 0 dB. I'll give you time to put that in. Alright, that was for the ad-libs. Now, moving on to like the real sound. The Woo vocal preset. Just go to none again. Alright, we're in graphic EQ again. Just get this down. Just pause the video. Alright, next one. For the delay, we have this. Get that down real quick. Pause the video. Alright. We got the studio reverb. Get that. Mix 2.9, color 7.4, size 6.4. Alright. Now let's hear another snippet. Let's go. What are you talking about? Huh?
Jumping back in the black. I think I'm moving too fast. First one to hit the lobby. People run with that chopper screen. Hit up on me, broke the law. I just sit up post charge. Get the money, let it fly. You talking about my line? Things dance ain't fun. Thought it was really a game. What? I don't understand. I gave you grit. I gave you a fit. Now it's time to say goodbye. Family ain't on all time, but I don't want you to leave. This kid gon' be a freebie. I ain't joking. When I chopper speak go, you really ain't did nothing. The way you talk, I'ma bust a nigga down. Live from the king lion. Woke up bacon like the dawn. It's too fast, move home. A po-po. You thought we was leaving too fast. No. This ain't a drink you gon' leave. You really thought it was a freebie. I'm really smoking on the pet. Now these people really laugh. Boom, bow, yeah. I knew that shit was really laugh. And I was really, really glad. Had to take him to the gulag. You ain't never seen Craig Carver. I'm poisonous, I'm a dog frog. You was never my dog. Kept him in a post shop. I left him like a lion. Hope you grow while you.
What? That wasn't a full song, but that was like most of the song. Alright, yeah. That was the Pop Smoke preset.